M4 Sciences offers the world's first drop-in, plug-and-play modulation-assisted machining device, the TriboMAM. Modulation-assisted machining, known as MAM, is a patent-pending technology which controls chip formation while enhancing the effectiveness of cutting fluids. TriboMAM radically increases productivity in CNC lathe drilling by eliminating PEX cycles and increasing feed rates with no adverse impact on tool wear or hole quality. Modulation-assisted machining delivers unprecedented chip control through superimposed oscillation of the cutting tool. MAM changes the otherwise continuous cut into a series of discrete cutting events. This ensures consistent and repeatable chip formation while allowing cutting fluid to flow between the tool and workpiece. In conventional drilling, the cutting edge is fully engaged for the duration of the cut. Continuous chip formation typically requires high-pressure cutting fluid to help break the chip and eject it from the hole. The variability in chip size limits feed rates and often requires drilling with PEX cycles. With TriboMAM, the cutting edge of the drill is intermittently disengaged from the workpiece hundreds of times per second. This repeated engagement and disengagement can be seen as a series of discrete cutting events. Each cutting event creates a single small chip, and each chip is almost identical in shape and size. These small consistent chips flow freely through the drill flute, eliminating binding and blockage. TriboMAM's external control system can be conveniently located on or near the machine. A simple programmable interface allows the user to input the spindle speed, feed rate, drill diameter, and number of flutes. An internal control algorithm optimizes the process to ensure consistent chip breakage. In case after case, the TriboMAM has provided compelling results. In the gun drilling of a chrome alloy steel, chip control is enhanced to the point that the feed rate can almost be tripled. The highly optimized baseline process used a feed rate of 20 microns per revolution and created the traditional spiral chips that are difficult to evacuate. With modulation-assisted machining and the TriboMAM, the feed rate was almost tripled in this difficult-to-machine material, and yet chips are smaller, more consistent, and easier to handle. Materials such as aluminum and copper also benefit greatly from the application of modulation-assisted machining. In the drilling of copper, PEX cycles are commonly required due to the nature of the chips. In the customer's baseline application, drilling a 7 mm diameter hole 35 mm deep in copper alloy 101 required a PEX cycle and resulted in a 9-second cycle. With the application of MAM, it was possible to entirely remove the PEX cycle. This cut the drilling cycle almost in half. Additionally, the process was found to be more stable due to the consistency of the chip formation process. As seen in these chip photographs, the application of MAM results in an impressive reduction in chip size. These small, consistently shaped chips are exactly why the PEX cycle can be removed. A final example of the benefits that the TriboMAM can deliver can be found in the drilling of 4140 steel. In this case, a .32 mm drill was being run 2.5 mm deep in 4140. Not only did this process require a PEX cycle, but the drill had to be replaced at twice the frequency of the other tools, thus requiring an additional change interval. With the application of MAM, not only was the PEX cycle removed, but the tool life was more than doubled, which allowed removal of the additional tool change interval. TriboMAM installs in less than an hour, does not require machine modifications, and uses existing tooling. TriboMAM simply replaces the existing drill holder and is compatible with high-pressure coolant systems. M4 Sciences has developed the new science of chip control. TriboMAM is the solution to today's drilling productivity challenges. For more information, please visit us at www.m4sciences.com or email us at knowledge@m4sciences.com.